Hey everyone, it's Terry and Rosie out here. We're gonna get our Echo PB9010 out and show a little snow action with it. So hopefully everybody will enjoy it. Without further ado, I've got it running in the barn. I'm gonna go grab it. Rosie will videotape and we'll go from there. It's day after Christmas, so that makes it the 26th. We're gonna see what it will do. It's a light fluffy snow, about 20 degrees out today. Got about up to 4 inches in spots, maybe 5, probably about 4. So I'm gonna blow off the truck and we'll just demo and see what it will do here. So here you go. Here's Rosie. Iveco PB 9010 in the snow. This snow came down Friday. It's now Monday, so it's got a little crust to it. Even though it's very cold and dry, it has sun up a little bit because it was damp when it first started. But that's how it works. Got the truck blew off the trailer. So there you have it. It's not doing so well in the driveway. Again, if you got out and it was fresh and powdery in the day of the snow, it would probably do a lot better. But it's, like I said, we had about 4 or 5 inches, so just wanted to make a little video and demo it. So it's been down a few days and ran over and crusted over. So, but you can see it does a pretty good job on the vehicle blowing that off. And then over here I did the trailer. So just thought I'd experiment with a little bit and see what it could do in the snow. So there you have it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe as usual. Thank you, everyone.